All right, we're going to put on this frame TV and utilizing this box made by Pearl Gear. Pearl Gear. Looks pretty good. It's got the One Connect 65 inch. I've got the frame, the white frame for it. Oh, of course, I just hit the ceiling. Let's go. Let's get to work. All right, the first thing you got to do is carefully just remove everything, obviously. And this piece of furniture here turned out to be, I'm going to say, it's got to be 350 pounds or more. It's solid glass, and that was really difficult to move. Anyway, I took the other piece of artwork off. Now here's the frame. Again, you can manage this by yourself. You can easily pick it up by yourself. I know they say 2 people. But again, put something down on the ground. Make sure that you have, proper protection on the floor. So here's the hole that I cut. And what you're looking at there is the media for the other side of the wall. There's a TV on the other side of the wall. So I ended up opening up that knockout to allow that to penetrate so that I have access to either side, and it worked out good. So this uses a One Connect box, which is really big, and there it is. So here on the left with the tie wraps, that's the big box that has just a power cord in, and it has a really thin media cable that goes to the back of that display. So, I always wanted to, before closing everything up, I always wanted to test the TV. So I've left the cables long, I hung it up, and now I'm going to take it down, and we're going to dress it up and do some tests. Alrighty, here we go. This is the finished product. Let me show you how this thing works. It's actually pretty cool. So, you can see how it's nicely attached to the wall, and it's going to look nice in this condo here in Miami. And again, it's on Netflix, but what I did was I just quickly powered it off, and then boom, the art comes up. Now, if you buy this TV from Costco, you get a 2-year unlimited art gallery with thousands of artworks. So right here is like an Easter special, and there's all different galleries and individual artists, and we're going to go through a couple of them. But I have to say, it's a challenge to determine if that a screen or artwork. Let's take a look at some of these. I believe there's some, I don't know who this is. What am I looking at here? Okay, yeah. Dolly. All right, let's pick a dolly. Boom. Let me tell you, this video does not do that justice. If you could see this live, it is stunning. Now, if you notice, the white frame around the frame was an additional purchase. So these TVs are coming down in price. Now, I will say, this is a challenge to install. I repeat, this is a challenge to install. If you don't want to see any cables, and if your wife doesn't want to see one cable coming out of this TV, think twice before you get it, because you see that large media box that I had to put in behind it. Now here's some Korean art. So this was from the Museum of Korea. They're one of their famous museums, and it literally looks like rice paper. Especially this next one here, this cat. If you were here with me right now looking at that, you would have to go up and touch it and see. You would think you would poke your finger right through it. That's how cool it is. Now I find that when you power it off, it stays on for a pretty long period of time. Now last night, when I did some tests, I powered it off. I went to bed I woke up and it was off. So maybe it uses light or activity. But now today I left at 11 a.m., came back around 5 p.m. and it was on. So yeah. So here I'm going back into YouTube, and here's I love these old-timey videos. I don't know about you guys. You can learn so much, ladies and gentlemen, when you watch these old school training videos. Thanks for watching. See you later.